For my Strive project, I created a Christmas-spirited animation with snow falling around a polar bear. This required me to use the coding concepts of objects and arrays, and taught me a lot about the mathematical idea of uniform randomness. Hi, my name is Caroline, and I'm a 9th grade student in UWCSEA East. The beauty and complexity of this project is in the snowflakes. Using a for loop, I had to create enough snowflakes to give the impression of a snow globe, but not so many as to create a chaotic blizzard. I could easily change the number of snowflakes because I had created what is called an object. This snowflake object allowed me to create multiple snowflakes with the same properties like size, but randomized values of all these properties. By changing the guidelines of one property, I could change all the snowflakes at once. The motion of the snowstorm was quite tricky to get right in a visually appealing way. This prompted me to think about the distribution of the snowflakes and how I could adjust this to get a way better looking snowstorm. First of all, I tried to make the snowflakes go straight down, but it ended up looking too much like rain. After that, I tried adding in an element of randomness, random horizontal motion, while vertically the snow continues to fall straight down. The problem here was that it ended up looking too much like white noise on a television screen. After that, I tried placing the snowflakes in constant horizontal position, but with the vertical motion dependent on the size of the snowflake. This actually looked pretty good, but it gave the impression of snowfall, which is far too calm and light for the winter storm theme that I was going for. Finally, I settled upon using a trigonometry function with a random radius. I thought of this because I wanted the snow to spiral, but I also wanted it to be somewhat random. The horizontal position changes in accordance with the randomized trigonometry function, while the vertical position changes in accordance with the size of the snowflake. I was surprised to see how much mathematics goes into making a snowstorm. Now when I watch an animated movie with snow, I don't think I'll be able to see it in the same way anymore. It was also very interesting to learn about the different types of randomness. To me, random just meant random, and there was nothing more to it. This project really showed me how the word random could be organized, and it actually isn't that simple.
The idea that art is limited to pen and paper is obsolete. An entire world of digital art is growing under our noses. And that art is drawn with the paintbrush of mathematics and the pencil of code. And here Caroline has shown to us that she can clearly speak the languages of math and code. Caroline strived to explore and discover more and more complex ways to express the mathematical path of the snow falling. In her world, snow doesn't just fall. It's much more complex than that.
I created a Christmas spirit. First of all, I tried to make the snowflakes look straight.
That's perfect.